mid jump squats. Here we go. Feet square. Stick out that booty. Jump. Good. You just want to go to mid level on this one. Chair level. See what that's doing? Drop. Drop. 3-second pause. Push-ups. Yes, push-ups again.
You can do it on your knees again.
Yeah.
And on we need to perfect
So
those.
look at Maddie, she's on her knees. I'll go with the feet if I can do it all the way through. We're going to go down and count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
And up.
Curl and press. Woo! Right. Curl. And then turn them around and press up. Curl. Turn. Press up. Back in again. Missile skydivers. Good girl. Here we go. Point the hands out. And you've got to lift the knees. Lift the body.
I call it the Russian rocket.
Yep, this is the Russian rocket. Lift the knees. Hands out in front of you. Long pauses. Hard to speak when you're lying on your diaphragm. Front plank drag. So she's going to be in the plank. Reach through. Drag the dumbbell across. Really try to engage your tummy on this one, guys.